Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best random orbital sander on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing, before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. HYVST KS02 to 150 Random Orbital Sander. The HYVST corded quick release multifunction random orbital sander is designed for finishing jobs at home and car. It can be used for sanding, polishing, blending, and cutting. This compact unit features a brushless motor that stays cool and is more durable than the more commonly used brushed models. It also has a variable speed controller that allows you to change the speed to match the job. The unit itself is corded, so it requires you to plug it in. In this case, you need a power source that is near your workspace. This sander is also lightweight, which further helps to improve control when you are sanding. It has a rubber padding on the handle for a secure grip and has a durable aluminum shell. The body of the unit is made from cast aluminum, so it is lightweight and strong. The unit has a dust collection system that captures 99.9% of the dust. You can use this sander for a wide range of different jobs. It can be used to sand wood, metal and acrylic. It can be used to sand wood and metal floors, furniture and more. The sander can be used wet to help you achieve a smoother finish. The dust collection system can also be used with a wet floor sander. The orbital sander can sand kitchen cabinets and other surfaces without doing any damage to them. Number 4. ptclub Random Orbital Sander. ptclub 125mm Random Orbital Sander is a very powerful machine. Its 125mm diameter random orbital sanding pad makes it ideal for any large surface, while its 3 orbital modes makes it versatile and efficient. You will never find a better machine for sanding and polishing. ptclub Random Orbital Sander is engineered to ensure that you can replace the worn-out parts without having to spend tons of money. Unlike other sanders with conventional sanding discs, this sander is equipped with a unique 3-speed selector switch to allow you to control the speed of the sander with ease. With a built-in keyless chuck, even if you are using diffusers, you will not need a screwdriver to change the sanding discs. The ergonomic design of the sander allows you to grip the tool firmly and enjoy smooth sanding. In addition, this sander comes with a dust exhaust port that directs the dust away from the air path, keeping the area of operation clean and dust-free. Number 3. Drillpro Random Orbital Sander. Drillpro Brushless Random Orbital Sander is a lightweight sander that can be used to sand, grind and polish. It is a perfect sander for home and professional use. The SP10 is a variable speed single-speed random orbital sander with an electronically controlled high-performance motor. It does not have a PWM built into it, hence variable speed. The SP10 can achieve variable speed from 1200 to 6600 RPM with a maximum orbital throw of 3300 mm. This means that the maximum speed of the sander is 6600 RPM, but the minimum speed of the sander is 1200 RPM. It is lightweight, weighing only 1.5 kg with the battery, and it has a cord length of 1.6 meter. Drillpro is an innovative power tool company with a growing family of innovative and cost-saving power tools. Our mission is to save customers money on their power tool purchases and extend the life of their tools using premium-grade quality parts and innovative designs. Feature: brushless motor for longer tool life, compatible for Makita 18V battery, metal gearbox and shaft -2 rubber sanding pads included, compatible with random orbital sanders, drill and polisher safety switch, prevents access to the power switches, anti-load design, protect the switches and gears surface coating, rust resistance and high hardness, ergonomic design, comfortable grip, maintains constant speed under load, dust collection hole, easy to clean power switch with lock-off, high speed and performance increase, run time and efficiency, powerful and fast. Number 2. WORKPRO W125011A Random Orbital Sander. The WORKPRO W125011A Random Orbital Sander is a versatile power tool that can be used to smooth your wood, metal and plastic pieces. This random orbital sander comes with a built-in dust collector that can be attached to the vacuum cleaner. It has a durable construction that is designed to last longer. The WORKPRO 300W Random Sander has a dust canister that can be easily removed that makes it easier to clean after use. The sander comes with a quick release blade and a dust bag. The dust bag is easy to detach and empty. The WORKPRO 2-inch Random Orbital Sander has a lightweight design, allowing you to hold it comfortably while you work. The 2-rubber grip provides a secure and comfortable hold. No matter what type of work you are doing, the WORKPRO 2-inch Random Orbital Sander is the right tool for the job. Number 1. Prostormer PT-T1022 Random Orbital Sander. Prostormer PT-T1022 Random Orbital Sander is the most affordable random orbital sander that comes out of Prostormer. The machine comes with a 6mm orbit size and a 2.5mm stroke, making it a top-of-the-line random orbital sander. Prostormer PT-T1022 Random Orbital Sander is a powerful sander with a 300 watts electric motor and 21 125mm sandpapers. It also comes with a strong dust collection system with a filter bag. The strong dust collection system ensures that the dust is collected in the filter bag and the filter bag can be removed and emptied. This product features a random orbital polisher with a 4.8mm stroke, a switch that allows the user to change the rotation directions, and 2 rotation speeds. The product is equipped with a dust-proof motor cover to protect the motor. The design of the cover also helps with dust collection. The machine also features knife switches and a blowout switch to prevent the motor from burning. It also features a LED power indicator that indicates the power status of the machine. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.